Alright. I'm going to provide you secret about car tires, right? Whom do you blame if your car tire worn out fast? It doesn't keep long, then your car tire spoil. Whom do you blame? Is it the manufacturer or the road or because of the driving? Yes, follow this video, watch it carefully, and you understand why your car tire doesn't last long to your expectation. Yes, you follow this video and I'll give you all the secrets behind. Alright. It's AK Garage. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Once again, we have met here again. Once more. Today's video is all about your tire, your car tire. Yes, your car tire. Sometimes you bought a car tire and then your car tire worn out more than your expectation, right? Your car tire spoil fast than what you expected, or the year is supposed to reach before the tire is supposed to worn out or spoil. But some of the car owners and drivers are wondering and ask a lot of questions about their tire, but don't know what brought that thing or that problem, right? So today's video I'm going to show you how it is. So follow me step by step and you understand why your car tire doesn't last fast, or doesn't last, or it worn out fast. Okay, so let's go again right here. So today's video, here is it. Let's take this one as in the screen. You can see this one, but check this. Do you know that your car tire supposed to reach supposed to change your tire between 4 to 6 years? Every 4 to 6 years you're supposed to change your tire, right? Yes. Or from 36,000 to 75,000 miles, that range is supposed to change your tire, right? Because this is how it is. And every 10 years is supposed to change your tire, your car tire, from the manufacture date, from that manufacture date to that day. So it's supposed to change that tire within that range. So, and your car tire doesn't last. You have three factors that cause that thing. So one is road habit, road condition or driving habits, and then the maintenance. So today's video we are going to talk about the maintenance of your car tire. Yes, the maintenance of your car tire right now. So you check the maintenance of your car tire, and then the maintenance of car tire is one is pressure, and then the alignment. Yes, the pressure and alignment, and then the rotation. Pressure, alignment, and then rotation. So as we can see here on the screen, you can see here this particular tire. Yes, this particular tire, the middle of the tire has worn out, has faded. You can see the white over there, the fading side is overinflated. Yes, it's overinflated, typical way. So it is overinflated. So if you pressure your tire or you increase the pressure of your tire, it will be overinflated. So if you don't want your car to be overinflated, you can see the edges of the tire. Yes, the circumference of the tire. You can see 450 or 350 psi. So this is the range that is supposed to reach the pressure. Then you stop. So if you want to increase or check the pressure of your tire, please, when you go to organizer, don't inform or tell the organizer that you should increase your tire pressure for you. If the organizer doesn't have the knowledge about that 40, 45 or 450, 350 psi, he will just increase it for you and it will be overinflated. And this one too is underinflated. Yes, it's underinflated. So under inflated too is typical where the edges of the tire will wear, because the edges of the tire alone that touches the road or the ground, yes, that touches the road, so that edges will wear out. As plus to this one is over inflated, that this center will wear out, so check it. And this one too, we have defective parts or bad alignment. So we are going to talk about bad alignment and how the alignments will cause the tire to wear out. So you're supposed to know all these things about your tire. So this one is defective parts or bad alignment, as you can see on the screen. And this one too is defective suspension or bad balance. So you can see this one, defective parts. When the lower arm bushing turn off or the ball joint spoil, it can give you this. That is a defective part. And alignment, when the alignment is not straight or all that good, it can give you this. And this one too is the balancing, defective suspension or balancing. The balancing is where you send your car to where they change tires, right? Then they check the balancing as the tire, they put the tire on the machine, and then as it rotates, you can see either it's going straight or it just curve. It's not going straight, so is that the balancing? So somehow, okay, let's go and let me show you this. Let me show you this particular one. So this one is alignment I'm talking about. So this one, toe in and toe out, toe in and toe out. So when it's not straight, the toe is not straight, you can see this here, the inside of the tire is wear out. Yes, immediately you see that inside of your tire is wear out, please and please again, for your own safety, own risk, please don't drive over. Go and change your tire. Immediately you see this line, go and change your tire and send your car to mechanic to check the suspension, the lower arms for you. After that, they send the car to alignment place, then they check alignment for you. So you can see this one. So immediately you see that sign of place of your tire, part of your tire is worn out and part of your tire is still there, new. Please check the alignment side. Let me show you. So this one is the front wheel. There's a tire of the front one. So this one is very risky for your life, so you're supposed to change it as it is. So let's go this one too. So I'm talking about here, so you can see this one is all red. Yes, you can see this one is all red. Yes, it's all red. So the alignment is not correct set. The alignment is not correct set. So this one is all red. So let's go to this place too. You can see here that where the group is, this one too is green. So when it comes as green and green like this, your alignments are set. That's the toe. So alignments are set, because you can see the numbers between the range is 808 is 08. So if you get 8 and then the 6, it's all right, but it's supposed to get 8. But if you get 8 and then the 6, the alignment is good for you. That's the toe. And then you can see the camber here is all red, so you can see the camber, how the shape is look like. And then this one is caster, it's all 10 red. It's supposed to turn green, green, green and green. But remember that we have front wheel alignment and we have the rear wheel one. So you set the rear. If your car is supposed to set the rear, the person is setting the alignment will do it for you or inform you about it. So this is the front one, you have the rear one too. So let's take a look and see. You can have this one too. So now this one is toe. toe wear, camber wear, center wear, edge wear, patch wear, cap wear. So as we are talking about here, have the toe wear, camber wear, center wear, edge wear, patch wear, cap wear. And this one is alignment problem. That's a thin wear. So as we talked about this one, or yes, this one particular, that's the patch wear. Yes, patch wear. So we have the alignment problem, thin inner or outer edge. So the toe, either toe in or toe out. When it is toe out, you can see this outer, and if it's toe in, you can see inner side of you worn out. So you can see the black spot here, and then this one is camber, is the alignment problem, and this one too is center wear, that is the overinflation, that's the alignment problem, the greater inner or outer wear, and this one too under inflation. Yes, like other one I talk about is under inflation here. Yes, is under inflation here that I'm talking about. So this one too is out of balance, patch red wear or flat spots, out of balance. So this one particular can cause you noise under the car, and you think that the suspension is no good, the lower arm, the ball joints and link bar is no good, but this particular patch wear will cause you that problem. So you're supposed to check your tire before you start your car to reach the road. And this one is out of balance. The out of balancing is you have to check your tire, send your car to your tire, the tire changes. They put this tire, put the tire on that machine. As the tire is rotating, you can see if it is well balancing, the tire will go straight. If it's not well balancing, the tire will curve. It won't go straight. So this one they will check and do it for you. The patch wear is when you buy new tire from home, you can see some metals like aluminum metals around the rim. Yes, the rim circumference, you can see them there. That is what called patch wear. That's the balance used to balance the tire. And this one is cap wear. This is the bent or worn out suspension. So if your suspension is not good and worn out, it will give you this particular problem. Yes, so if you check, you have to check that thing. You can see this sign too. It's something like this one, but this one is different and different angles. So this one it give you noise, this one too it will give you noise. So go to the mechanics and let the mechanics cross check everything for you before you start your car or go out, because all this thing can give you noise, and it seems like the suspension is no good. So let's take this one again, and this one is the same thing, the alignment issues and so on and so forth. And this one I'm talking about here, that's the toe in and toe out. This is the toe in, but if it is toe in here where the arrow is, it will worn out. Yes, it will worn out, and it's supposed to be straight. You can see the angle here, you can see the angle here on the screen. So this one's supposed to be green. It's supposed to be where the groove black is. Yes, it's supposed to be green, and this one's supposed to be green. It's not supposed to be red. If it is red, it is wrong, and it's supposed to be in the place of where the groove is, where the arrow is. So let's check this one too, and this one is lower arm bushing. There's the bushing, and there's the ball joint. There's the lower arm, a hole, and here is the bushing, here is the bushing, and here is connected to the body here. So if this one is not good, the ball joint spoil, it can affect your tire condition, and half of your tire worn out. Yes, half of your tire worn out. So immediately you see that worn out tire, is supposed to send your car to mechanic to check it for you. Yes, to check it for you. So let's go again and see the other way out. Let's see this one too. So this one, as I thought about, let's check this one. Yes, so this is what I'm talking about here. So immediately you see this one, don't try to send your car to where you are going. Send it to where they change tire, so that they can change the tire for you before you continue, because this one will not take you to where you are going. It will definitely burst or blast on the road, and it's very dangerous and risky for your safety and the family too. So you're supposed to change it before you go. This one is toe in, that's I'm talking about. So it's, you see, it's inside, so the thread of the tire has come out, and it's very risky for you. So you're supposed to change it immediately you're about to start your car. All these things are supposed to check before you start the car and you start your journey. It's very necessary for your own safety and your own risk. Yes, so as a test, this one is the rear alignment, the other one is the front one, this one is the rear one. Yes, the rear one have to be set, this one too is no good. So the alignment is no good, or the suspension is no good. So when you send it to mechanic is supposed to check it first before you send it to the alignment center. So the mechanic will check, and if there's a bushing, they will change the bushing and the lower arm for you. After that, they send it to where they can do the alignment for you. Then you get your tire safe. So after that, buying the new tire, then you send them out there to change it for you. So this is very necessary, and you're supposed to be don't overlook this line. Please and please again, don't overlook this line, because it's danger and it's dangerous to your safety. It's dangerous, so you're supposed to change it before you start moving out. And let's check this one. This one is the whole, you can see this one is the front suspension, this one is the lower arm I'm talking about, that's the link bar, and this one is stabilizer bushing. This is a shaft to the tire, here's the shaft, and this one is the one connect to the front wheel. Yes, one connect to the front wheel is called tie rod ends. These are the tie rod ends that are used to set the front alignment. Tie rod ends. This is the tie rod itself where the arrow is, and this is the bushing, the ball joints connected to the wheel. So you're supposed to know all these things. If there's a problem, then they can check it and do it for you. And as a whole, this is it. Yes, this is the pressure gauge. Where you increase or pressure your tire, that particular place is supposed to get pressure gauge. Don't overlook if the pressure gauge is not working or the person don't have pressure gauge. Don't overlook that, but rather you're supposed to have pressure gauge so that they can check the PSI for you, the 450 PSI and 350 PSI. It depends your tire. Yes, it depends your tire. Then it can check it for you. If it's reached 350 or 450 PSI, then it's supposed to stop there. Don't increase it. If you increase your tire pressure, it will be overinflated, and if your tire pressure too is down, it will be underinflated. But it's supposed to be in the range. Yes, it's supposed to be in the range. It's supposed to be in the range of 350, 450. Then you move on of your journey. So this is okay, guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I need your comments, your likes, your share, your question about this particular video.